What is up, guys? This is Asij from My Buddies 23, and today we will be reviewing the AKG Y50 Bluetooth on-ear headphones. The cool part about these headphones is they can connect to your device via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm headphone jack. These headphones also won the 2016 Design Award, so without further ado, let's jump right in. So on the side right here, it has the instructions on how to use the headphones, and here it has the description of the headphones, like it's Bluetooth enabled and things like that. By the way, these headphones have a 20-hour battery life, so that will last a very long time. To open the box, there are two tapes which we will simply pry open. So inside the box right away there is a bag for the headphones, which there are cables inside, I think. And here are the headphones. There are pull tabs to open, and we can pull the headphones out. First impression of the headphones, they're a little bulky, but that's good because they provide a thick cushion for your ears. It charges with a micro USB port, and these are the buttons on the side. And over here is the 2.5mm headphone jack, which can connect to your 3.5mm headphone jack. The cable is included, and I believe it is in the bag, so we'll check that out. So this is a nice thick bag for the headphones, very comfortable feel to it. Inside there are some user manuals in different languages. So let's put that to the side, and oh, extra paper. Probably in a different language, some usage instructions. So let's put that to the side as well. So inside there's a bag full of cables. So let's see what cables came with it. There is the micro USB to USB cable. So let's put that to the side. And here is the 2.5mm headphone jack to 3.5mm headphone jack. This can be used if you're going to wire your headphones from the headphones, which obviously does not use battery life, so it'll help conserve battery life. Another cool feature of these headphones, which is in most high-end headphones, is it's movable and extendable, so it can fit on your ears comfortably.
By the way, these headphones have advanced noise cancelling, which they say on the box. And after trying these out for a few minutes, that is true. These have advanced noise cancelling. So that's basically it for this review and unboxing. If you like this video, leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.